Kansas lawmakers gathering today. They were hearing testimony about a new proposed domestic violence law.
13 Stephanie Ramos was at the hearing. Stephanie, what is this bill about?
Melissa and Ralph, the bill proposed today will track people who are continuously domestic violence offenders. One victim's family was there to support not just their daughter, but everyone else who may be affected.
This is a very emotional day for us, as many days are, but especially when we talk about Jen and we talk about her publicly, it's difficult at times. Obviously, we miss her a great deal.
Jana Mackey, a KU law student, was only 25 years old when she was murdered by her ex-boyfriend 18 months ago.
It is an emotional time, and it's not really just about my daughter. It's about a lot of people's daughters and actually a lot of people's sons and husbands, because domestic violence impacts many people.
The Brungardts say proposed House Bill 2517 is a good way to keep track of domestic violence crimes, but will also reduce the amount of offenders.
What this bill does, and sub 8 there may be a little redundant, but what they're trying to make absolutely clear is that every single crime that can be committed, destruction of property, disorderly conduct, it wouldn't matter what, can be given a domestic violence tag if you find intimate relationship.
We also feel like it's our personal responsibility to use the story of Jana's life and the story of her death to reduce violence against women. Christy and I are determined to turn this tragedy into something positive.
This just didn't happen when my daughter died. This has been happening for years and years, and I didn't know that. And so I think the first lesson that I have learned is how little people really know about it. And the second thing that I think I have learned loud and clear is that the status quo is unacceptable.
The family hopes that when the bill is voted on next week, it will pass on to the next level, and that by the end of the session, the bill will be ready to be signed by the governor. If you would like to read more about Jana's campaign to stop domestic violence, visit our website at wibw.com.
Stephanie Ramos.